So welcome buddies, welcome to our channel Teachers Tech. So today's video will be programming problem statement which is on like first of all let me make a C file because we are be coding in C language. So today's code will be checking if the number entered is odd or even. The file name is odd underscore even dot C since we are doing programming in C language. Okay, so let me paste today's questions. Like we need to write a program in C language to find the number that is entered by the user is given or not. So somebody's might have got the idea that how they would be taking out this program output very efficiently. But the twist is here we have to use here the conditional operator. The game's fix or we can say stuck here where the word is conditional statement or conditional operator. So conditional operator is nothing but a ternary. You might have heard ternary operator, which is like a if else, which is like a if else. So in this conditional operator, you might have seen the syntax like this is a statement, okay? And out of this statement, if the statement comes to be true, it will execute the first statement if true, and if it goes false, it will execute the second statement. So this is the ternary operator where three operands are executed simultaneously to get the output. So it's like similar to if else, like we can keep it like statement, and out of this, if the statement is true, it will print the statement one. Otherwise, in the else block, it will go and print the or execute the statement two. Right. So this case will be done to build today program, which is to find the odd or even number by user. So let's start coding. Let me make the font size bigger so that you can be able to see the program. Okay. So what will be there? Include statements which will contain the stereo standard output input. Okay. Then comes the int main. Okay. Here's return 0. First of all, we'll keep a number. Okay. And that number will be first of all, let's printf for user so that the user will see what is going on this program. So the user will select enter the number to check whether that is odd or not, odd or even. Okay, similar. Okay, we'll keep here. Uh, okay, fine. In the next line, it will be scanf. First, taking the user input. For that, you need a format identifier for number which is of int type. You need to give modulus of t. Okay. Similarly, this is you have learned in C language, right? For float, it's modulus f. For character, modulus c. Similarly, like for integer, it is quite different. It doesn't take I but take t, and then represent sign and the variable name that is number. Okay. So here it will be taking user input, and scanner should be able to identify that the input taken is of int type, right? And the next part comes here. Many of you will be solving this for statement using the if else normal, but the question here comes to solve this using the conditional operator that I have made you understand earlier in the video. So we'll take a statement which is like if the number entered is modulus to 2 and giving the output, giving the remainder 0, that means this will printf what? Will printf as that the number entered is a is an even number, right? And otherwise, if false, it will go to the second printf or the second statement to be executed. If it gets false, this statement, it will again printf fix. What will write? The number entered is an odd number. Oh, okay, odd number, right? Now you're getting all that as a simpler approach. If you got like this video, okay. So this much in the if statement you have to write the 3 to 4 line code, but in this conditional statement or the operator you are using, you will take a single line code to execute this. I think this is a whole over program and we can run this easily. Go to the run command. So hope it will run. Yes, it's running. It's asking for the enter you want. So let us take an even number like 24. So it's giving the output. The number entered is an even number. Till here it is working fine. Please run again and check for the odd number. So here we give 23, which is an odd number, and yes, it's working fine. So I think you got great help to this program and might be using this conditional operator for the further complex programs. Till then, bye bye.